All right, Boat Dock Movers, Lake Lanier here. The video you're about to see is a dock refloat we did this week. Took us 2 days to complete, but this dock was stranded on shore. This is what happens whenever you get busy, you're not paying attention, and Lake Lanier goes down. Right now, Lake Lanier is the lowest it's been in years. It's down 8 feet. Expected to go further. So if you don't have a boat dock watch company, there's likely your boat dock's gonna get stranded. And what you're about to see is what it takes to get it back in the water. The biggest obstacle with this job was actually the wakeboard boat that is still on the boat lift, was anchored into the mud. So enjoy. If you see anything and you think we should have done it differently, or you have a better idea, please let us know in the comments. To contact us for Boat Dock Watch, the link is in the description. All right, barge is loaded. We are ready to head down and get this dock back on the water. All right, as you can see, front floats are partially beached. Gangway float completely on land. And we've got some issues with the landing gear, but we'll address that later. So first things first, we're gonna get this thing up on rollers and on boards and make the gangway a non-issue. And then we will work on the dock. Got our gangway nice and prepped, ready to roll right down our ramp. We're gonna have to get an airbag. All right, here we are back for day 2. Gangway still in position, ready to roll right down the ramp. We're gonna start the day with jacking up the front, and we're gonna kind of just dig out underneath the front portion of these floats. It's only about the first 10 inches of these floats that are really on the soil. We're going to try to dig that out so that the front's just a non-issue, and then we're going to really focus on the bear, which is the boat lift.
2,000 years later.
Tough to get in there.
I poked the hole in the tube.
That metal?
Yeah.
Dang.
There's a corner. Okay, so good thing is, kind of dug a hole underneath the support.
Yeah. Dang, float gone.
Yeah, I can match the tube. Oh, man. Yeah, those supports were literally
How far in?
just freaking
6
buried,
inches?
man. Yeah, they were buried. So that was anchoring his dock. Literally anchoring his dock. Definitely need to dig out the other side as well. Okay, yeah, this one's out of the mud.
That's awesome. And it's jacked.
Yeah. Dude, let's put the pipes on this thing in the front. Just see if we can horse it, you know. Maybe she goes, maybe she not.
Will the jack pop off?
Yeah, the jacks should fall over if it moves.
Got you.
Don't go through that yourselves. Let us handle it. More importantly, let us be your boat dock watch service so that that doesn't happen to your boat dock. Thanks for watching.